Hi, I'm Jackson from Inglewood Coffee Roasters, and today we're going to show you how to brew coffee using a V60. Fun fact, it's called a V60 because of the 60-degree angle. You will need boiling water, 32 grams of medium coarseness fresh ground filter coffee, similar to table salt, a filter paper folded on the diagonal edge, V60 cone, server, scales, something to stir your coffee with. First off, we're going to rinse out the paper taste of our filter paper, pour some water through to heat up the server. You want the whole paper to almost become translucent. Discard the water, pour in your 32 grams of medium coarseness filter coffee. Tap the bed to make it flat, and then we can begin pouring. We're going to pour in 100 grams of water, also known as the bloom, in slow circular motions running from the inside to out. We're going to let that sit until the 30-second mark, and then at 30 seconds, we're going to pour in another 180 grams of coffee, take us to 280 grams total. At that point, take your spoon and swirl the outside to incorporate all the grinds. At the 1 minute 30 mark, we're going to increase the yield to 430 grams. If you get to the outside, don't worry, just start to move your way back into the center. At the 2 minute 30 mark, we're going to increase our yield to 500. Take your spoon and swirl the outside of the grounds to incorporate it. And there you have it. Remove your filter and enjoy.
How's your taste?
Molto bene.